Associated Press, Bovee also placed the lead prosecutors on administrative leave. Several prosecutors, including the prosecutor who'd been leading the case, a Republican, resigned in protest, saying they could not carry out Bovee's order and still pursue justice impartially. That's a quote. Ed Whalen, former Bush administration lawyer and a longtime conservative legal commentator, says he has, quote, serious doubts that Bovee has the character and integrity to be worthy of confirmation as a federal judge, end quote. Former Republican Nominations Counsel Greg Nunziata called Bovee's nomination outrageous and unacceptable and urged the Senate to reject it. Even the Wall Street Journal is sounding the alarm. In a scathing editorial, they warned, quote, the president should understand that his attacks on judicial conservatives will hurt his own agenda and legacy. Mr. Trump is likely to see fewer judges retire, lest they be replaced by partisan hacks. That includes Justices Samuel Alito, age 75, and Clarence Thomas, age
Good morning,
76.
good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is, I hope you're doing well. You're here with email, and we're going through the Special Education Diagnostician course. Course is like day 3. It's a bunch of stuff that's involved. A lot of reading, more digesting, and things of that nature. And that's really what this is about. All right. It's going to take forever. Right, here we are. The lecture. Okay, yeah, that's right. Then what I need to do is save all of this. Because what they do with a lot of online programs they're doing is they're starting